Liberty Hall 360 is a reenactment of the marriage of John Jay and Sarah Livingston. So the purpose of this project is to leverage the capabilities of VR and 360-degree video and place our viewer in the point of view of a guest that would have been in the wedding. You don't have to be in the museum to experience it. You can actually put on these VR viewers and experience the important history anywhere. We want the viewer to feel like they time traveled back to the 1700s.
The marriage of Sarah Livingston to John Jay in April of 1774 is important, of course, to the history of Kean University because it took place right here on campus. And it was the first socially, culturally, and politically important event to be held here. The bride, Sarah Livingston, was the daughter of William Livingston, who would become the first elected governor of New Jersey. The groom was John Jay, the first Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. It also is interesting to us because it takes place in the month leading up to the American Revolution. It's a fascinating time in American history and a fascinating time in the history of Liberty Hall.
What's really exciting is the marrying of this old history, almost 250 years ago now, with the state-of-the-art digital virtual reality 360 technology. And that's why it's so exciting to partner with our School of Design, our theater program in creating this reenactment. And it's about using those traditional history methods, but conveying history in a really new and exciting way.
In my honors history class, we looked at first-hand documents over at the museum and on campus to recreate the events surrounding the wedding. We used John Jay and Sarah Livingston's love letters and other artifacts from the time period to write the script.
So the purpose for Liberty Hall 360 is to show to other students and visitors to the museum how important it is to keep in mind the things that happened in our past and how they relate to our present. Virtual reality can help to further research and expand our knowledge on things that happened hundreds of years ago.
It's really exciting to work on a project that goes beyond our historical research. Working together with the different departments at Kean is really cool because we're recreating something that happened on Kean campus in the 18th century. It's really going to bring history alive to the modern audience.